situation like this can largely be avoided with the intelligent Knoxpeak camera, which uses thermal imaging to detect any living creature behind and beyond trees and bushes. Watch the next video clip about the intelligent Knoxpeaks to detect any threats. The Knoxpeak camera can of course be used in many different applications. Let's have a look. The Knoxpeak is definitely one of the most useful thermal cameras on the market. High definition imaging, user-friendly controls, no creature will go undetected. Also read the full article in the May edition of Wildland magazine.